everyone, welcome to our channel, $1 Million Amazon. Today, we'll be sharing the top 5 best dash cams for cars that are in high demand and popular on Amazon in the USA. If you're looking for a reliable camera for your car, this video will help you make the right choice. Viofo, a 229 Plus. This is a front and rear dash cam featuring dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors, providing crystal clear recording even at night. The camera records in 2K resolution with HDR support, has voice control, built-in GPS for precise tracking, and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for quick access to videos via the app. 3 parking modes offer round-the-clock monitoring, making the A229 Plus a reliable choice for protecting your car. Annual sales, 46,200 units. Annual revenue, $10,600,000. Pruveo 360-degree view 4-channel dash cam provides a complete 360-degree view with 4 lenses, recording full HD 1080p video from all sides of the car. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi allow location tracking and easy video sharing, while night vision and parking mode ensure 24/7 protection. The loop recording feature with accident video lock ensures important moments are preserved. Annual sales, 57,000 units. Annual revenue, $10,900,000. Viofo, a 229 Pro 4K HDR dash cam records in 4K from the front and 2K from the rear using Sony Starvis 2 sensors, delivering sharp quality both day and night. The camera supports voice control, precise GPS, and 3 parking modes for round-the-clock protection. The fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection allows for easy control through the app and the ability to save important videos. Annual sales, 33,000 units. Annual revenue, $11,500,000. Vantru N4 Pro 3-channel 4K dash cam records in 4K from the front and 1080p from the rear and interior, providing a complete view of the car. The camera features HDR for excellent night shooting, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and built-in GPS for convenient management and tracking. With 4 parking modes and voice control, you get round-the-clock protection and safe driving. Annual sales, 32,000 units. Annual revenue, $12 million. Would you like to start your own business on Amazon? The $1 Million Amazon team of professionals can help you with that. $1 Million Amazon is your reliable partner for entering the American market. Red Tiger dash cam records in 4K from the front and 1080p from the rear, offering a wide viewing angle and clear video even at night. The camera has built-in GPS and Wi-Fi for app control and easy video viewing. Reliable features like loop recording, G-sensor, and 24-hour parking mode protect your car in any conditions. Annual sales, 244,000 units. Annual revenue, $30 million. What camera do you use? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.